Alright, we're here at 200 North Park Road here in Wyomissing, Pennsylvania. Before we ride the elevators, look at this building. I really like the look at this modern building. I like how the stairs are scenic. But anyways, these are the elevators. These are TKE Evolution 200s. We're gonna start by going down. We'll ride this car first. Let's go to 1. And here are one opens up right here. Go to 5. Watch this indicator right here. Five opens up right back there. Now we'll back down to 1. And we'll get a caveat of this elevator. It's got a very high ceiling. Otherwise, these are very nice newer TKE elevators. Not sure what these were installed, but this looks like a brand new building. But I can't confirm that though. Anyways, these are your ATOL buttons. These are newer ATOL. Indicator there, and you're at 1. There's 2 panels, one there and one right here. Let's go back up to the lobby. Wow, short distance. What's in this car? Send this car up to 5. If it works. Yep. Just gonna try to close. There's that elevator. And now we'll try to ride this elevator. These are nice. Here are 1. Go to 5. I think this one's slower than the other one. Here are 5. I don't know about this elevator. We'll go back down to 1. I think this elevator might be slower than the other elevator. Going to give you a cab view. Just like the other one, very high ceiling. These are your newer ATOL buttons. Capacity is 3,900 pounds, just like the other car. I like how these buttons light up red. Very interesting. And this one's making some very questionable noises. And you're at 1. Here's the first floor. Now we're at the lobby. Watch the light go out. And here in the lobby. Alright. Despite this one being very questionable, those are some pretty cool elevators. I think there's a service elevator in this building somewhere, but I'm not going to check it out since I think this might be after business hours. So, otherwise, these are some very nice TKE Evolution elevators, and I guess that'll be it.